Okay, people, these are the problems that we're going to be working on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's the ninth one. Please copy down the question and start working on them. And then at the end, you can scroll to the end and check all of your answers. If you got a particular one wrong, you can go back into the video. I'm going to solve it in this video, and then check what's the difference between what you did and what I did. Remember, this is number 9. Also, do this problem. Okay. All right. Now, let's get to it. Remember to pause the video whenever you have to, or you can like work through it with me whenever I do a problem. Well, this is number 1. 2 times 27. This is 16 times 4. 16 times 4, so negative 1 times 2 to the 4th times 2 squared, so 2 to the 6th. Huh. Oh, okay. So negative 2 x squared y to the 4th fifth root. So we left the 2 on the inside. X to the 4th. I think that's it. All right, number 4. Number 5. Actually, for these ones, you have to assume that it's positive anyway because we cancel this negative out. So technically, this absolute value does not need to be there. Okay, number 6. All right. 4 times 12. 4 times 12. So it's 4 times 4 times 3. And this one is 3 times 9. And this one's 4 times 3. Okay. Next one. Oh, this one you just distribute. Well, square root of 20, let's make it into 2 root 5. So that gives 3. This gives 6 root 5. And this one gives positive 2 root 5. And then this one gives minus 4 times 520. And so it'd be negative 17 minus 4 root 5. So, right. So this one, literally this is the same, 6 root 7 xz. Okay, this one, use a minus b, a plus b rule. And then, so it becomes a squared minus b squared. So 7 minus 2. Top one you just FOIL. So these 2 times that is 5 root 14. And this one is plus 10. So the answer is 5 root 14 plus 10 over 5. All right. For those who can simplify faster, this, the answer becomes root 14 plus 2. Or those who want to do a little bit slower, that's fine. Just turn this into 5 root 14 over 5 plus 10 over 5. That's the same. That goes away. That becomes 2. Same answer. Okay. All right. Next page. Oh, anyway, here are the answers. I'll circle it, box it. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, this order is slightly off. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then number 9. All right. Here are 10 more questions. Yeah. Okay. So here are the questions. You can work with me, or you can do it yourself. So this 16 and 17. You can first all do it together, or you could work with me. Okay. Let's go. All right. Always simplify. Okay. Looks like the numbers cannot simplify, so it's this. And then this would be x to the 7. And then this one will be y to the negative 9. Let's make sure that's correct. All right, 2 over 3. All right, simplify that again. So distribute. So this one becomes 2 to the 3rd power, 3 to the 3rd power. So at the end, it's going to be 4. This is going to be 9. This is going to be x to the 14th over 3. Y is going to be negative 6. All right, answer. If you want to put it at the bottom, you can. You want to put this at the top, you can. I don't care. Okay, this one. Let's try to simplify and see where we go from there. So this one is 2 root 2x to the 5th power minus 3 root 2x to the 5th power. Because this is the 9. So it becomes negative square root of 2x to the 5th power. Or you can just still take out the x's. So you have x squared negative square root of 2x. Okay? All right. This one. Okay, let's solve for x. Make sure you plug it back in. It's very important that you do that. Square both sides. Move some numbers around. Seven and 4. Well, 4 is not going to work because 4, that's negative, that's positive. So it's definitely not going to work. 7 is the answer. Okay, 15 square both sides. Yeah, so this is it. Make sure you still have to plug it back in. All right, let's do 16 and 17. Okay, this one divided by 2, it's easier for me. Make sure you add the absolute value. This is an even number. This is 2 to the third power to the 4 over 3. So that cancels out. It becomes 2 to the fourth power, which is 16. So x minus 1 equals to positive negative 16. So x equals to 17 or negative 16 plus 1. So it's negative 15. Okay. Make sure you plug it back in. 15, negative 15 minus 1 is negative 16. Negative 16 to the 3 over 4th power. So that means that it has to be a cubic root, a quartic root, and then to the 3rd power. That's what the original function is. 4th root, and then to the 3rd power. However, this is not okay. You can't do a 4th root of negative number. So hence, this is the answer. This is not the answer. Okay? All right, last one for this video. Plus to the other side, square both sides. Combine, move some numbers around. Make sure you double check. You put the numbers back in. 1, that's 4. Square root of 4 minus 1 is 1. So this one works, definitely. All right, negative 2. Negative 2, you plug that in, that becomes 1 minus 1 does not give 0. So this is not the answer. So this is your answer. Okay, so here are the answers. Here are the answers. And here are all the answers. Now, let's move on to the next video.